What's happening? It's your boy RJ, and I ain't did one of these videos in a while. It's been at least 3 or 4 months. But you know what? I'm gonna go back and get back to the roots of the channel, man, doing these like vlog style, day in the lifestyle videos as a trucking entrepreneur. But I know a lot of you guys do enjoy watching like a day in the life type stuff, just to really see what this trucking industry is all about, especially when you're running a local / regional lane. I'm doing 15 drops a day, and I ain't gonna lie, this has been a lifesaver. I haven't been on the load board since at least January or February. But if you guys need any help with the load board, let me know down in the comment section below. Let me know what you need help with, and I will make a video just for you with whatever issues you're having. I know that load board like the back of my hand, so just let me know if you guys need any help with the load board. Your boy RJ got you. If nobody else got you, your boy RJ got you. You gotta love it, man. This is so stable, and honestly, I'm about to be signing a contract for this lane in the next 2 to 3 months, so I will be cutting the broker out. I went ahead and developed that relationship with the shipper, and now I'm about to get my first contract. So if you guys want to learn more information about that, which, you know, when you get your contract, baby, the dollar bills start rolling in, baby. But if y'all want to know more about that, go ahead and let me know down in the comment section below. I will walk y'all through the whole process with me. If you are thinking about starting your trucking company and you don't know where to start, you don't know if you should get your LLC, you don't know if you should start your apply for your MC authority, you don't know none of these things, you don't know if you need an EIN number, I have an ebook just made specifically for you, regardless of which state you live in. I have an ebook from A to Z on how to start the trucking company. Link is in the description. This book will literally open the door for you for financial freedom. But I'm about 15 minutes away from drop 10 out of 15. Wait, is it 15? I think it might be 16, honestly. Nope, I'm on my way to drop 10 out of 15. It's Monday, and everything's looking good, so I'm gonna see y'all there. It's your boy RJ. See y'all in the next clip. 3, 2, 1. Let's get it. All right. So I'm thinking it's gonna be the small pallet on the left. Okay, so they got a tow motor. So what I'm about to do is I'm about to just grab this pallet and pull it to the back, and then he's gonna pick it up with a tow motor, and then I'm on to my next drop. We only got 5 more drops, so thinking this long one is going to be drop 11, if I'm not mistaken, and then it's going to be this one here, it's going to be that one in the middle, it's going to be this one over here, and then it's going to be, that's the last one right there in the corner. You're all good. What's going on, everybody? So I went ahead and knocked everything out. As y'all can see, I'm back at the house now. I'm kicking it. Got some YouTube on in the background, you know, and about to start editing some videos, getting this grind done. And with this channel, man, like I was just thinking, like, what's some goals that I got for this channel? It's a means to get me to an ultimate goal of success. So it's a stepping stone. It's not like my dream that I've always dreamed of having, and that's where it ends. It's like a step that's gonna get me a step closer to where I want to be. So that's how I see trucking, and slowly but surely I'm starting to see it pan out that way. So I'm thankful for that. It's a process. Everything is a process, but it is a process, and it does take time, and it is a grind. If nothing else, it's going to really kick you into grind mode, because with that truck, you know, you put yourself in a position where you really got to maintain your bills, you got to maintain your work. So it's going to really put you in grind mode, and I appreciate that about trucking, and I love trucking for that, because you in that grind mode, but you're doing it for yourself, and you on your own time when you're doing it. If you want to do it part-time, you could do it part-time. You don't have to do trucking full-time. If you want to do it full-time, you could do it full-time. So, you know, it's multiple avenues to do it. But that's my first goal, is to help people get to the next step in their financial process and journey. And then my second step is also to be some form of entertainment when I do it. I don't want to always be teacher mode or teaching. I want to be a little bit more entertaining when I do it, you know. So I hope my videos are a bit entertaining. I know all my videos ain't based on entertainment, and really this channel's not based on entertainment, but I want it to be entertaining while you watch it, you know, more or less, like the visuals and things of that nature. I want it to be more like I'm trying to get to a point where my editing is like eye candy, where like I'm doing like little cool cuts and stuff like that, so you guys, you know, are a little bit more engaged in the video and enjoy watching the video more, you know, as you watching this video, kind of like this. What's going on, YouTube? So it's the next day. I'm here at the pickup location, and we about to go ahead and get loaded up real quick, and we about to get on this road. Let's go get this bag, man. Let's take this money route. Come on, let's go. What you sitting there waiting for? Come on, let's go. Let me know if you guys have any questions down in the comment section below about anything when it comes to trucking, whether it be like, you know, the paperwork that you gotta fill out to you know, get your MC authority active, like gas cards, like where to find a truck if you're trying to rent. Like, let me know all that stuff down in the comment section below. I got y'all. I gotta go get my tires looked at. For the rental company, they want to take a look at the tires, make sure the tires don't need to be changed or nothing like that. So I'm gonna try to see if I can stop by a spot, an Enterprise spot today, and see if I can have one of their managers take a look at it. Yep, so this is where I'm be dropping off this. I don't even think it's a whole pallet. I think it's a loose box. All right, so this is gonna be their pallet right here. And then after that, I got 1, 2, 3, 4 stops. I got 16 drops today. Yesterday I had 15. Got 16 today. So we looking pretty good. Easy peasy. Heading to drop 13 out of 16. Get this together. So if you're gonna do work like this, if you're gonna be running lanes like this, you definitely wanna get you a good GPS. A good trucker's GPS. So that's whether you use I think Truck Stop has a GPS app, if I'm not mistaken. No, not Truck Stop. I forget the name of the app, but they got an app that you can pay for a monthly subscription to use a trucking GPS. When I tell you, it is pivotal that you use a trucking GPS and not a regular car GPS. Like, you will save yourself so much headache by using a trucking GPS, because I promise you, if you try to cut that corner and just use a regular car GPS, you're gonna be in a lot of different situations that you do not want to be in. Meaning you're gonna be coming up on low-hanging bridges. You're gonna be in these neighborhoods that your truck is too big for. You're gonna literally be sick. So make sure you get you a good trucking GPS. All right, so I'm at my last drop. As you can see, I got my buddy with me back there. You know, he watching my back while I'm out here doing my thing. This is gonna be it right here. Oh, Jesus. All right, it's pretty long, so go ahead and take this off real quick. All right, y'all, so I'm gonna go ahead and end the video here. If you enjoyed the video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. I very much appreciate it. If you got any questions about trucking or business in general, don't have to be necessarily about trucking, you having issues or whatever, go ahead and leave a comment down below as well. And if you enjoyed the video, you want to see more trucking content, business content, go ahead and subscribe. When you subscribe, make sure you turn on the post notification bell. I'm gonna see y'all in the next video. It's your boy RJ. Deuces, YouTube. See y'all in the next one.